I want to tell you about some of the accessory cords that we have in stock and explain a little bit more to you. I'm not sure if you've ever seen something like this or not. Kind of looks like a Y. Some people refer to it as a dog bone, but this is what's called a cheater cord. So basically, let's say you have a 50 amp coach, and for those of you, if you're not familiar with, 50 amp coach has 4 prongs on it. So you have a 50 amp coach and you go to an older campground and you go to grab your cord and you go, oh shoot, they don't have 50 amp here. Well, I still need 50 amp to run both of my air conditioners, my convection microwave, etc. What can I do? So you would take your 50 amp cord end, you would plug it into your cheater cord end. Then at that point, on this end, it has a 30 amp in and it has a 115 amp in. So you would take your 110 cord to plug it in, plug in your 30 amp in, and what that's going to do is it's going to basically give you 45 amps. Now, if you go to an older campground and maybe they have, we refer to this as a 15 amp plug. Sometimes they will have plugs that are a 20 amp plug. So if you were to plug this in with the 30, theoretically it would give you 50 amps, but they put on the cord itself and on the advertisement for it 45 amps, because in most cases that's what you're going to come across. But again, we will list this in the product description below. This is referred to again as a cheater cord kit, and it gives you the ability to plug in your 50 amp cord on your trailer or motorhome, and you can also reduce it to your 110 pigtail. So, or you can also reduce it to just a 30 amp only. So another thing you can come across is, hey, I forgot my pigtail. So maybe at home you have a pigtail that's a 50 to like a 110, and it doesn't end up, oh, I can't find it or I don't know where it's at. Well, this guy's pretty decent size, so it's not like you're going to drop it or misplace it. You could still plug in into a 110 side and your 50 amp and still have power going into your unit. So thank you so much for watching.